Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do something that I haven't done in a long time, and that is a good old get ready with me. Nothing special. I've been wanting to do more makeup related videos. I haven't done them in a long time and it's something that I miss doing. I really do enjoy doing makeup and beauty videos. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Just something a little different to spice things up. I used to do makeup content a whole lot more often, so I'd like to start incorporating that back into my schedule of videos. So yeah, I just thought I would do a pretty simple get ready with me. I always enjoy get ready with me's. I just personally enjoy doing my makeup. I getting to talk just about anything, so I do hope you all enjoy it. This look is brought to you by Anastasia Beverly Hills' Soft Glam palette. If you're interested, stick around. All right, up close and personal. Of course, the day that I finally decided to film a makeup video, my skin is like, hey yo, I know you're 31 years old, but have some acne. I already primed my face and did my eyebrows. No, I don't dye my eyebrows. I get that question a lot. A lot of people ask me, do I dye my eyebrows when I dye my hair? No. I found an eyeshadow that matches my hair color, and my eyebrows are microbladed. So basically what I do is I just take a really tiny makeup brush, get that eyeshadow on it, and just fill it in. My eyebrow routine. I just don't want to accidentally rub off my eyebrows. All right, let's expose the 5-head. All right, so I'm an eyeball and I always start with my eyes first. Most people start with their face. I get too much fallout no matter what kind of eyeshadow I use, so I always start with my eyes, because then when the fallout happens, I can just conceal it and put foundation over it and wipe it away. The eyelid primer that I use is the anti-aging one from Urban Decay, because we can always use a little anti-aging in our lives. So for today's look, I'm just using one of my favorite palettes ever, the Soft Glam. Absolutely love this one. This is my go-to for everything. I will say this one does have a lot of fallout. So how has everyone been? It's been a while since I've done one of these videos where I just kind of sit down, do my makeup, and chat with you all. To be honest, it's not so much, well, actually no. I was about to say it's not so much the video itself, but it kind of is, because it's like every single time I do a makeup video, because a lot of people ask me to do makeup videos, but when I do makeup videos, they don't do all that great. I would love to do more makeup related content on my channel. I absolutely love makeup, I love beauty, but every single time I try, just like the views plummet. And a lot of people will be like, oh, don't pay any mind to views, you know, blah, 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 blah. And that's easier said than done. So while I want to do makeup related videos because it's something that I am very passionate about, I just feasibly can't right now because it's not what others want. And also, to be quite honest, I got a little lost from makeup, meaning that I kind of lost my passion for it during the pandemic, or excuse me, the panini. Just because I wasn't wearing it every day. I stopped putting on an entire face of makeup, especially in the early days. I got furloughed from my day job for roughly 2 months. It was like mid-May to mid-July. And so like during that time, I just didn't see the need because I wasn't going anywhere. I wasn't seeing anyone, and it's like, what's the point? So I kind of lost my passion for makeup during this time. Luckily, it's like rebounded now that things are opening back up. I feel pretty confident because I've been vaccinated, so I still wear a mask in some places. Like, I don't trust the public, but like to work and stuff, I don't have to wear a mask anymore because I know all of my coworkers are vaccinated. It's kind of nice to just get back to pre-pandemic me, if that makes sense. I learned a lot about myself during the pandemic, but also I miss some old me pre-pandemic. Trying to rebuild that love for makeup. I can't even remember the last time that I went in a Sephora. I've been in an Ulta several times, but I can't even remember the last time I went in a Sephora and bought new makeup. And I used to do that all the time. Not so much these days. Where I was going with that is I would love to do more makeup content, but between me losing the love for makeup and makeup videos and beauty videos in general just not doing as well on my channel, it's hard to put it into words. I think I'm just gonna get to the point where I'm like, you know what, forget it. This is what I want to do. I'm going to do it. Hopefully it does better, because I know that people come here for piercing and body mod related videos. They don't necessarily want the makeup ones. But I have to remember that I started this channel for me. I didn't start it for anyone else. I started for fun. If I want to do makeup videos, I'm gonna do makeup videos. Because for a while there, I was only doing my makeup when I needed to film videos, and that was it. I'd throw on like mascara to go to work or something, but that's about it. And even now, like that's pretty nice for an everyday thing. My face appreciates it, except for right now. It does not appreciate anything that I do for it, which is why it's breaking out. But makeup makes me happy, and I think I need to just kind of remember that. Like, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love doing piercing related content, but I don't want my entire channel to be piercing related content. I want it to eventually be both body mod content and beauty makeup content, because those are the things that I am passionate about. All right, now that I have gotten on my eyeliner and lashes, we're gonna move on to the face. Gotta conceal the dark circles though. Though apparently that was trying to be a trend for a while, or fake dark circles, and I'm like, wow, look at me being ahead of a trend. I have real ones, because I never sleep. Tell you one thing, if you've never wet your blenders, your sponges, or anything like that, it's a whole new world by doing that. For so long I was using just dry sponges. Should have been wetting them the whole time. But yeah, I do hope that people will eventually watch my makeup videos, because it is something that I'm very passionate about, or just really enjoy. I shouldn't even say I'm passionate about makeup. I just really love makeup. It's fun. It gives me a chance to create something. I am by no means a beauty guru or even that great at my makeup. Blending in me, don't know her, but it's fun and I enjoy it. Except for when I have pimples like that. And of course I made the pimple worse because I was like, I need to pop it. Like I'm 15 years old. It's like, no, you don't. You need to leave it alone. Pops it anyway. Like, no wonder it looks even worse now. Because you'd think at 31 years of age, I'd know better. Foundation just goes on so much better when your sponge is wet. But in other news in regards to content creation, if you don't know, I have a Twitch channel now. I stream roughly 4 times a week. Primarily, I stream horror game Dead by Daylight. Don't know why. Horror and me don't get along, but I find it a blast. I also get exceptionally angry at it. It's like I have a love-hate relationship with the game. If you haven't wandered over to Twitch yet to find my channel, I highly recommend it. It's pretty entertaining. I also have a Discord, which you should have seen the little boop at the beginning of the video. Feel free to join that if you have Discord and want to. No pressure though. I don't know what it is about this Shape Tape, but every single one I get always like leaks. It makes a huge mess. I don't know why it does that. Even when it's like closed tightly, it makes a mess. I don't know if that's just me though. But going off of me wanting to do different kind of videos other than piercing and just body mod ones, are there any specific videos that you all are curious to see from me? Even if they are body mod related. I get it. You came here because that's what you want to see, or that's what drew you in. Totally understand. And this is not me saying that I'm gonna stop doing those videos. I just like to do more than those videos. But if there are any kind of videos you want to see, including body mod ones, please let me know in the comments below. I am always open to suggestions, ideas. Doesn't necessarily mean I'm gonna do them, but I'm always open. Somehow I look even more pale than I already am. I always feel like when I'm doing my makeup, it looks atrocious in the process, and I'm like, how does it end up looking decent in the end? And that is the magic of makeup, because right now it looks a train wreck, I feel like. I mean, I do have setting powder on right now, but that's beside the point. Oh, and I will say, in regards to potential videos coming out, a lot of people have been asking for more of my week-long vlogs, which I'm really happy that y'all are interested in. And I realize I haven't done many in recent time. Like the last week-long one that I did was January, February, and then I did like a vlog for the extended weekend that Luke and I took to Gatlinburg, but otherwise I haven't done too many in recent months. Those are coming back. It's just my life is very dull and I haven't done much of anything, so I don't want to film a vlog of me being like, I went to work today, now I'm home. You know, to me that's not exciting or anything, so I didn't want to put y'all through that mundane vlog. But I do have some fun things coming up in June and July, so vlogs will return. I am kind of curious though. Did anyone experience anything like I did, like during the pandemic, where you just kind of lose passion for something, you feel a little bit more burnt out than usual, or were you the opposite? Did it reignite your passion for something? Did you find yourself being able to do more? I don't know. I went the lost passion, burnt out route unfortunately, which kind of stunk. I don't know. It's coming back. It's coming back slowly but surely, which is exciting. I always feel like I do a terrible job with blending out my contour. Like, it ends up looking decent, but I'm always like, I feel like those are harsh lines or something. And I think sometimes I just don't have the patience to sit there and fully blend everything out. I'm not a very patient person. Like, people will sit there and blend every part of their makeup for hours, it feels like, but I'm just sitting here going like, that's good enough. I use 2 brushes to blend out too, just because I'm like, the other one does the majority of it, and then this one's a little bit more precise. I'm really bad with blending out, like, on my forehead. Like, I can see it over there. It looks like such a harsh line, but then in person, it's not a harsh line, so I think the camera does it. Get a little blush. What highlight do I want? I have this, like, really cool palette from BH Cosmetics. It's got a whole bunch in there. I usually only use like 3 out of here, and more often than not I use the same one over and over again. You also want to talk about some fallout. Woo! That shows up way more on camera than it does in person. You can't tell, I like to put highlight everywhere. And voila! I like how this turned out. It's nice summery look. Oh, I've messed up my hair now somehow. How'd I do this? My hair's gotten so long now, I really need to go get a haircut. But not too much, because I remember how much I hated the short hair. All right, so that is the look for today. A nice, simple, summery look, I feel like. What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? It's like pieces of hair that just will not grow. That's attractive. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Like I mentioned, I do want to do more makeup related videos. So if there are any kind of makeup related videos that you'd like to see, drop them in the comments below. If there are any videos that you'd like to see just in general from me, whether it is Pearson body mod related or something else entirely, leave those in the comments as well. I'm very open to ideas. Doesn't mean I'm gonna do them, but I'm very open to them. Special thank you to my patrons. You can help support the channel on Patreon while having access to videos early, viewing patron only content, and more. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys!